This is part 2 of the geometry video about triangles. In part 1 we covered the topics acute angles, obtuse angles, right angles, scalene triangles, isosceles triangles and equilateral triangles. Today in part 2 we are going to cover the topics adjacent sides, hypotenuse, triangle sum theorem, exterior angle theorem and the corollary to the triangle sum theorem. These topics sound complicated, but they're very simple, so stay tuned. Let's say we have the triangle ABC. In a triangle, two sides sharing a common vertex are called adjacent sides. So the sides BC and AC are adjacent sides. The third side, AB, is the side opposite of angle C. In our previous video, we learned that the sides of isosceles triangles have special names. Today we are going to learn that the sides of right triangles also have special names. The sides that form the right angle are called legs, and the side opposite of the right angle is the hypotenuse of the triangle. We also know from our previous video what interior angles of a triangle are. Because we learned that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. This fact is called the triangle sum theorem. So we can write the measure angle A plus the measure angle B plus measure angle C equals 180 degrees. Today we are going to learn the relationship between the interior and the exterior angles of a triangle. But what are exterior angles of a triangle? When we extend the sides of a triangle, then other angles are formed. The three original angles are the interior angles, and the angles that are adjacent to the interior angles are the exterior angles. We can say this is the exterior angle 1, this is the exterior angle 2, and this is the exterior angle 3. The exterior angle theorem says that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So we can write measure angle 1 equals measure angle A plus measure angle B. Let's say angle A is 60 degrees and angle B is 100 degrees. Then we know from the triangle sum theorem that angle C is 20 degrees. Because 60 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 20 degrees equals 180 degrees. We also know that a straight line has 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 20 degrees equals 160 degrees. We see that we needed 2 steps to find out the measure of the exterior angle 1. Let's find the exterior angle 1 with 1 step by using the exterior angle theorem. The theorem says that the exterior angle 1 is the sum of the measures of the 2 adjacent interior angles. In other words, just add the opposite interior angles to get the exterior angle 1. So 60 degrees plus 100 degrees equals 160 degrees, which is then our exterior angle 1. The corollary to the triangle sum theorem says that the acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. So we can write measure angle A plus measure angle B equals 90 degrees. In other words, when we have a right triangle, then the other 2 angles are also 90 degrees. So let's say angle A is 30 degrees, then we know immediately that angle B is 60 degrees, because 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is 90 degrees. Or let's say angle A is 40 degrees, then we know immediately that angle B is 50 degrees, because 40 degrees plus 50 degrees is 90 degrees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.